In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a spreadsheet using Google Sheets. Let's start by opening Google Sheets. The quickest way to do this is by going to your web browser and typing sheets.new in the address bar and hitting enter. This will immediately open a brand new blank spreadsheet for you to work with. Now, if you'd prefer an alternative method, you can also visit Google Drive by entering drive.google.com into your browser. Once there, look for the big plus new button on the left-hand side. Click it, then select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. Both methods will get you to the same place, so choose whichever one suits you best. Next, let's give your new spreadsheet a name. If you glance at the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice it says Untitled Spreadsheet. All you need to do is click on this text, type in a new name for your spreadsheet, such as My Budget, Sales Data, or Contact List, and press Enter. Congratulations! Your spreadsheet now has a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Now, let's dive into entering data. Select any box which in spreadsheet terminology is called a cell, and begin typing the information you want to include. Perhaps it's a list of expenses, contact information, or even daily sales figures. Whatever it is, hit enter to move down to the next row, or press tab to hop to the next column. The flexibility here is quite extensive, and you can enter numbers, text, dates, essentially anything your spreadsheet needs to capture. Once your data is in, you might want to explore simple formulas to make your life easier. Google Sheets can handle calculations beautifully. If you want to sum up a series of numbers, for example, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Start by typing an equals sign, followed by the word sum and an open parenthesis. Then, click and drag your mouse over the cells you want to include in your calculation. Finish by typing a closing parenthesis and simply hit Enter. Google Sheets will do the math and provide you with the total instantly. One of the fantastic features of Google Sheets is that it automatically saves all your changes as you work, storing them safely in your Google Drive. This means you can focus on your tasks without worrying about losing any of your progress. To keep everything organized, you can also move your spreadsheet into a designated folder within Google Drive. Just go to the File menu at the top, select Move, choose your desired folder, and click Move. And there you have it, a well-named, data-filled, and neatly organized spreadsheet, all ready to go. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring all that Google Sheets has to offer.